Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your car's AC system. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes from refrigerant. Work in a well-ventilated area, preferably outdoors, to avoid inhaling fumes. It is crucial not to overfill the system, as this can cause significant damage. Also, confirm your vehicle uses R134A refrigerant, typically found under the hood. Next, let's find the low-pressure service port. First, locate your AC compressor, which is typically a belt-driven component on the engine. From the compressor, follow the two aluminum lines. The larger diameter line is the low-pressure side. Look for a service port on this line, often covered by a cap marked with an L. Your AC Recharge Kit's hose is designed to connect only to this low-pressure port, preventing incorrect attachment. With the port located, start your engine and turn the AC to its maximum cold setting with the fan on full speed. Now, firmly attach the Recharge Kit hose to the low-pressure service port. Begin adding refrigerant by squeezing the trigger in short bursts, about 5 to 10 seconds each, while gently shaking the can. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge on your kit. You're aiming for a reading between 25 and 55 psi, depending on the outside temperature. Once the gauge shows the correct pressure, check the air blowing from your car's vents. It should feel significantly colder, ideally around 40 degrees Fahrenheit. When satisfied, release the trigger, carefully disconnect the charging hose from the low-pressure port, and securely replace its cap. If your AC still isn't cooling effectively after this process, it might indicate a larger issue, and we recommend consulting a certified automotive technician for further diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.